If you've taken a look at the rear of your Can-Am Canyon, you've probably noticed that factory reflector sitting just above the license plate. It does its job, but let's be honest, it's pretty basic. That's where this plug-and-play rear center LED reflector from TricLED comes in. This setup replaces that stock reflector with a bright LED that functions as both a running light and a brake light. It's a clean, factory-style upgrade that adds real visibility exactly where it's needed most and installs using OEM-style plug-and-play connectors for a straightforward install. If you really want to make that brake signal stand out even more, you can pair it with our brake light flasher module, which adds a pulsing effect under braking to help catch the attention of drivers behind you. You'd simply install the flasher in line between the LED reflector and the factory taillight connection. Now, if you want to light things up from more than just straight behind you, this is where things get interesting. You can pair that center reflector with the rear side-facing LED reflector add-on kit. This kit ties directly into the center LED reflector and your factory taillight connection using a simple plug-and-play setup, giving you additional side-facing illumination at the rear. The center LED reflector is required for this setup since the add-on kit is designed to integrate directly into it. It's a simple combination that takes an overlooked area of the canyon and turns it into something that actually works for you, both in terms of safety and overall presence on the road. Now allow us to walk you through the installation process.
Before you begin, make sure your Canyon is on level ground with the ignition turned off and the parking brake engaged. The manufacturer recommends adding a small amount of dielectric grease to all connectors included in these kits. This protects the electrical connection points from moisture and corrosion. Start by unlocking and unlatching each of your saddlebags if equipped, so you can remove them from the vehicle. Then, pop off the passenger backrest attached to the top case and remove the top case as well. Push in on your ignition key and turn it clockwise to unlock and remove the driver's seat. Locate and disconnect this harness before removing the passenger seat. Then, remove the multi-purpose plate. Using a push-pin removal tool, remove these 4 push pins on the underside of the splash guard panel. Remove these 2 screws with a T25 Torx wrench. As well as these 3 screws with a T20 Torx wrench. Using a plastic pry tool, carefully insert it between the splash guard and the vehicle to remove the panel. Again, use a plastic pry tool to remove your stock reflector, like so. Then, remove any leftover adhesive residue. Next, line up your reflector to the panel and use a pen to mark where the connector and wiring will pass through. To protect against your drill bit damaging any wiring behind the panel, we recommend using a piece of wood behind the panel for added safety. Using a step drill bit, drill out a hole at the mark you just made, large enough to pass the connector through. Clean the surface area with an alcohol prep pad and allow that to dry. Then, go over the same surface area with the included adhesion promoter and allow that to dry. Next, remove the protective backing film from the reflector and pass the wiring through the hole you drilled out. line up the reflector and press down firmly to adhere it into place. Disconnect the right side taillight connector from the vehicle. Then, plug the included Y splitter into the vehicle's connection port. Connect the reflector harness to one side and the taillight harness to the remaining connector. Now, test your handiwork and push down on your brake pedal to make sure it illuminates. If everything looks good, you can zip tie the harnessing up and out of the way of any and all moving parts. If you opted for our LED side reflectors as well, start by removing these 6 screws with a T20 Torx wrench. Then, remove your top case mounting plate. Carefully use a plastic pry tool to remove the stock reflectors on either side. And remove any leftover adhesive residue. Next, line up your reflector to the mounting plate and use a pen to mark where the connector and wiring will pass through on both the right and left sides. Then, with a piece of wood for protection in place, use a step drill bit to drill out both sides at the marks you made, making sure the hole is large enough for the connector to pass through. Next, clean both surface areas on the mounting plate where the new reflectors will adhere with an alcohol prep pad. Once that's dry, use the included adhesion promoter on that same surface area and allow that to dry as well. Remove the protective backing film from one of your reflectors and slide the wiring through one of the holes you drilled. Once flush with the mounting plate, press down firmly to adhere it into place. Then, repeat that process for the reflector on the other side. Now, you can reposition the mounting plate onto the vehicle. Please note, when reinstalling your mounting plate, that there's a small channel to allow for wiring to pass through, located here. Properly route the wiring from both reflectors through this channel so the mounting plate doesn't pinch or damage them. Once routed, you can zip tie it in place. Then, run them down through this opening here, underneath the mounting plate and near the right-hand side taillight harness. Next, disconnect your center LED reflector from the previously installed Y splitter. Then, grab the included 3-to-1 splitter from the side reflector kit and plug the single end into the Y harness. Then, just plug in each side reflector into the 2-pin connectors and the center reflector into the remaining connector on the splitter. Once the connections have been made, turn on your ignition and test the side reflector LEDs. If everything looks good, you can zip tie your wiring and reinstall your panels in the reverse order you removed them.
Once installed, your Can-Am Canyon now benefits from increased rear visibility with additional running light and brake light functionality designed to help you stand out to traffic behind you. If you're ready to add these upgrades to your Can-Am Canyon, head over to slingmods.com or click the links in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged in to everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road.